All right. So I've spent the morning with Jimmy aligning Camaro. Got everything square. Got our camber and caster right where we want it. Did get the toe right where we want it. Steering wheel's nice and straight as you guys saw previously. I'm going to test drive it before I put wheel caps and beauty rings on the front. Then once I know we're good to go, we will basically have it ready to go home. I also put a temperature sender in because that was that one stray wire that we had flopping about with the single spade. So put a sending unit in. Hopefully that will get the temperature gauge operational. We will go from there. So remember I said I put a temp sender in it? Temp gauge works. Woo-wee! All right, I'm gonna go for a test drive. All right, out for a test drive. It's nice having a speedometer that works, temperature gauge that works, a tachometer that works, fuel gauge. We know what that is. We'll deal with that when we do the rear suspension. But man, she tracks nice and straight. Drives really good. I'm pretty stoked. Pretty nice. Yay. I'm pretty happy with it.